Hello, I'm Dan Leonard, President of the National Pharmaceutical Council. We're all living in a new reality amid the COVID-19 pandemic. As we practice social distancing, our responsibility to support each other increases every day. It all comes down to communities working together while we remain apart. Researchers, public health officials, frontline medical workers, and citizens around the world are all doing their part. I could not be prouder of our member companies, the leading biopharmaceutical companies in the world that are working around the clock in the battle against this pandemic. They are making available millions of doses of treatments and therapies to physicians and their patients on the front lines in the war against the virus. They are also committing billions of dollars and the work of the best researchers in the world in the race to develop a vaccine we so desperately need. It's important to remember that the work taking place today on COVID-19, stems from a scientific foundation that has taken decades of work and investment to create. I'm extremely confident that the companies that we all work with, the biopharmaceutical research companies, and the people who work there will succeed in discovering the therapies and the vaccine that will ultimately win this battle. As an organization, NPC has a responsibility to our members, to our staff, as well as to the people that we live with, our new office mates that we're sharing space with. We're getting much more proficient online with telework platforms such as Teams and Zoom. At NPC, we have a virtual check-in every Friday afternoon where the staff comes together online, sometimes with their families, sometimes even with guest appearances from their pets. But it's just a lighthearted way for us to come together at the end of a work week, just to make sure we're all hanging in there. So in this time of uncertainty, I've pledged to keep my friends, my colleagues, my family close, even if it is virtually. So while social distancing, we are finding closeness as a community, even if we are apart. We're all in this together. We're all going to come out of this together. Stay healthy, stay safe.